Hello students. So in this chapter today we will study about globe, latitudes and longitudes. Also we studied in the previous chapter about our planet Earth. So what mainly globe, after understanding about the globe, latitude and longitudes, we will get the knowledge. And actually, if you have noticed, or many of you have used, or might be using, or your parents may be using Google Map. Have you heard about Google Map? I think most of the students are aware of Google Maps. So actually, for finding the locations of any place, if we go from one place to another place, finding the map, finding the road map locations, we use Google Maps. So mainly Google Map work on latitudes and longitudes. How Google Map is being made and how do Google Map get exact location of any place. Actually Google Map get exact location of any place, particular place, by using latitudes and longitudes. So today we will proceed about further about latitudes and longitudes. You all might have got the book from school also, and I am teaching from my own book. Both the topics are similar. We will also go through the books and we will also do the question and answer from the book also. So we will proceed ahead about in this chapter. Okay. So before proceeding ahead, also like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos from my side and from your school side. So globes may be of varying size and types, big ones which cannot be carried easily, small pocket globes and globe-like balloons which can be inflated and are handy and carried with easy. So we need certain points of reference and lines to find out the location of place. If we want to find out the location of any place, we need a certain point. Like in this globe, if we want to find a certain place, then we have to point that place. What we will do? Point that place. You will notice that a needle is fixed through the globe in a title manner. Also, we can see a needle is fixed in a title manner, which is called the axis, and this is called axis. What is called this? This is called axis, right? 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are 2 poles, and these 2 needles from the needle from which the globe passes is called what? Poles. North pole and south pole. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides 2 equal parts, and the imaginary line that divides 2 parts, that is called imaginary line, are called equator. The northern half and the earth is known as the northern hemisphere, and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. If we will draw an imaginary line like this, the upmost is called northern hemisphere and this is called southern hemisphere. It is saying the same thing. So in this session we learned about globe, pointing the globe, and also basic knowledge of latitudes and longitudes we will learn in this further session in this chapter. Also learned about axis, equator. So also students, go through your own book from the book which you have got from your school, read it carefully and understand this chapter carefully. Meet you in the next lecture. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.